Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're doing a fresh B-Boy Footwork variations tutorial. Now this is part 2. I'm going to start putting out more of my videos as series so you guys can follow them along in certain playlists, and it helps your progression, it helps you to know where you're at. So yeah, this is part 2 of that, yeah? So the 3 moves that we're going to do today are a 4-step, a hook spin, and a CC thread. So those are the 3 variations we're going to do, yeah? And at the end, we'll recap them all nice and quick to make sure you got them good, yeah? So let's get straight into the first one. First one is a 4-step, pole 1. B-Boy pole 1 taught me this one, so shout out to pole 1. So drop it down first into our neutral footwork position. So what you're going to do here is you're going to swing left leg round as you hop out on right foot. Then you're going to swing that left leg back and keep it in the air as you hop back on that right foot. That's step number 2. From here, you're just going to switch legs at the back. So all you're doing at the back here is switching feet. So right now you're on left foot if you're mirroring me. From there, you're going to swing that right foot forwards, keep it in the air, and hop on left foot. And that's your 4-step complete, yeah? So again, so we start it here. So we swing left foot round, hop on right foot, step number 1. Swing left foot back, hop on right foot, step number 2. Hop across onto that left foot, step number 3. Swing that right foot round and forwards and hop on left foot, number 4. And if you want to continue from there, you'll hop on that right foot, swing that left foot round. 1, back, 2, switch, 3, through 4. Yeah? There's your 4-step. Let's go one more slow. So swing left round, hop on right. Swing left back, hop on right. Hop across to left. Swing right forwards, hop on left. Boom. There's your 4-step. First move done. Next one we're going to do is called a hook spin. So this is just a random hook spin variation. So I'll show you it first. So it looks like this. So it's a clean little footwork variation, yeah? So what you're going to do for this one to start it out, you're going to bring left leg out first. Step number 1, so this is a 4-step move. You're going to bring right foot over your knee. Then your left foot is going to loop round and hook. Now most people then would spin this way. You're going to spin the opposite way, so you're going to spin inwards. So you're going to push with your hands, spin inwards, and then kick out for step number 1. And you step left foot over, step number 2, right foot comes through, hook, and again, you're not going to spin this way, you're going to spin backwards on yourself, this way. Yeah, so let's break that down slow. So left foot starts in front, right foot steps over, left foot comes through and hooks, and you spin with that left shoulder back. And you switch it out. Right foot out. Step left foot over. Right foot comes through and hooks. And you're going to spin right shoulder towards the back. Here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Boom. Second one done. There's your hook spin. The last one we're going to do is a CC thread. So what you got to do for this one, now you're going to do your CC slightly different. Usually you'd have left foot out, right foot would be coming up if you're going towards the left. But we're going to switch it out, yeah? So you're going to have right foot out, and we're going to be traveling towards the left. So what you're going to do is you're still going to CC the same, but you look slightly opposite. Usually it'd be like this. You're going to go up with your legs switched. Now you're going to grab that left foot here. You're going to hop right foot through that gap. There's your CC thread, yeah? Again, now this one might take you a bit of practice, especially if you haven't done many threads. If you haven't done many threads, I do have lots of tutorials on threads, so link in the description. I'll link up all my thread tutorials so you guys can jump on them and improve, yeah? I did actually put out a beginner one recently, so I'd advise jumping on that. So, left foot starting out. No, right foot is starting out. You're going to CC towards the left. Grab that left foot. Hop your right foot through. From here, you're going to let go of that foot. You're going to CC towards the right with right foot coming up. Here. Then you're going to grab that right foot, hop your left foot through to here. Yeah? One more in each. So, right foot starting out, you're going to CC up, grab that foot, your right foot is hopping through. Then CC towards the right, you should have your right foot coming up, grab your foot, hop it through. Boom, there's your CC thread. Okay, there's all 3 footwork variations. Let's recap them real quick. So, first one was our 4-step. So you swing left around, hop out on right. Swing left back, hop back on right. Switch to hop on left. Swing right forwards, hop on left. There's your 4-step. Next was our hook spin. So you're going to start with left leg out. Step right foot over. Left foot's going to come and hook. Then you're going to spin towards the back. Then you switch, right foot out. Step left foot over. Right foot hooks, spin towards the back. Then our last one was the CC thread. So you start with right foot out, CC in towards the left, grab your foot, jump it through. Then you come to the other side, CC towards the right, left foot coming up. You're going to grab that foot, hop left foot through. Boom, and there it is. There is your 3 B-Boy footwork variations. That was part 2. So stay tuned. I'll be releasing a part 3 real soon. If you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dancers Dope family, hit that bell notification button to keep up to date with all the uploads. If there's anything that you guys want to talk about, if you need help with anything, leave a comment down below. I do get back to every single one of you guys. Apart from that, click here to visit the channel, see what we got going on. Click here to jump straight onto your next tutorial, yeah? Well done today, guys. See you in the next one.